Hello and welcome to Vox Markets. I am John Human and I'm delighted to be joined today by Charlie Chadd, CEO of the exciting gaming company Good Life Plus. How are you doing, Charlie?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. Not too bad. So thank you for taking the time to talk to us today. It's been a very, very exciting time for the company. Lots going on since you hit the market in December. Perhaps for the benefit of people who may not be too familiar with Good Life and what it does, tell us a little bit about yourself and the company.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Charlie. I'm one of the founders of Good Life. Good Life Plus is an entertainment focused subscription. So it starts at £11.99. It goes all the way up to £29.99. And that membership will include access to daily luxury prize giveaways, anything from, a MacBook Pro all the way up to a Porsche or a Range Rover Sport. And members can log onto the website, watch the live draws every single day and interact with the presenters. So it's very entertainment focused, very interactive. But then on top of that, they get access to hundreds of discounts and deals and rewards. So they can save far more than the monthly membership fee. And depending on what tier you're on, you can also get access to online movies, cinema tickets, and there's tons more rewards and features coming out. So it's all about entertainment. It's all about exciting and enriching the lives of our members. And that's what makes us very different to a lot of the current products that are out there.
Yeah. So opportunities to win some nice prizes, but there's more to the membership than that, and that's what differentiates you.
Yeah, even if you don't win the big prize, you're still a winner,
Yeah,
essentially,
yeah,
because you massively outweigh your membership fee with all of the rewards that are available. But, people are winning the big prizes every day at the same time.
yeah, and every day as well. That's very different to some of the lotteries and such like that we're used to.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, our view was the traditional kind of lottery space was very outdated, whereas we want to create something more interactive. So you can watch our live draws every night, 7 p.m. You can watch them on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, on our actual website, and we get thousands of people interacting with the presenters. You can even win free prizes on the live draws, depending on what day you tune in. So it's very interactive, very transparent. The winners picked on the draw using independent verification software. And yeah, the giveaways are one part of what we do. We also do have kind of all of those additional rewards as well. So it's very exciting.
Yeah, very, very reflective of the sort of way that modern media works. So as I say, you came to market in December, and it's been very, very busy since then. Lots and lots going on. I'm going to talk through some of those bits in detail, which culminated in a subscription raise of just over 2 million recently. So perhaps talk us through, life on the market since December.
Yeah, we've been off to a fast start. Obviously, if you take a look at the latest research note, you'll see that we've achieved substantial growth already, and we're continuing to achieve that day to day. But then also simultaneously, we've launched a new branding, new website at the end of Jan. So that was a lot of pressure on our dev team, but we got it done, and we got it done very smoothly. And then on top of that, we've been speaking to Win Fortin, which is Mark Blandford's team, about further investment, which we managed to close, and we closed it very quickly. As soon as they kind of met our team, and really understood what the product is and what it's about, they wanted to kind of turbocharge it. So they were very proactive in saying, look, we want to put in more. We want to make this a household name within 24 months.
Yeah, and Mark Blandford, a serious industry heavyweight, and he's not the only industry heavyweight you've brought on board recently as well. We'll come on to those very shortly. Just in terms of the money you've raised, what are you going to use that for? Because as you said, you've been busy already. So what comes next?
Well, at the moment, there's massive demand for the product ultimately. So a huge part of that is going to go on acquisition, just scaling and acquiring as many members as possible. But then once those customers have been acquired, it's also important to make sure that they stay subscribed. And in order to keep them subscribed, we need to create an incredible product. So like a no-brainer product. So bring in world-class talent, people who have been there and done it, so that we can really, improve the product and the stickiness of the product as well.
Yeah. So world class talent, presumably at the operational end of things, but also some world class talent on the board and in your investor base. Well, let's talk about Mark Blandford of Sporting Bet fame. What did you expect Mark to bring to the party, apart from his investment?
Yeah, so I mean, Mark's kind of reputation speaks for itself. He's someone who's been there, done it. He's been in our exact position. He listed Sporting Bet. He took it very close, if not past, kind of the 1 billion mark. And this was 20 years ago, before selling it for over 500 million to Entain. So he's very experienced B2C. He's also a serial investor and has a very strong track record. So I think he's going to be pivotal to the success of the business. And when you place him alongside Victor Chandler from BetVictor, John Gordon from Incentive Games, who are absolutely kind of smashing it on the retention side of things in the gaming space right now. Then we've got Ian McCaig, who's the founder of Fit, and some others who will hopefully be announced in the coming months. You know, we've got a really strong team. David Ivey as well, the CTO, founded Digital, so one of the big success stories on AIM over the last 20 years. So we've got a very strong team behind us of kind of advisors and talent that are making sure that we make all the right moves.
Dream team from the sound of things. There's another big name that you've already announced, which is David Craven, who's the chairman. How do you see his leadership? Helping the company on this journey.
Yeah, again, another huge name to add to the list. I mean, he successfully took All-Win for the successful bid of the National Lottery license from Camelot, who had had it 30 years. I mean, again, that kind of speaks for itself. Everyone kind of said, that's impossible. You're never going to win that bid. And they done that. Coming from relatively unknown to win the National Lottery license in the UK is absolutely huge. Before that, he was at ToteBet as well. So he's an industry heavyweight. He's incredibly passionate about this space and the product. As soon as we spoke to him, you know, he doesn't get involved in much, but as soon as we kind of told him, look, this is our plan, this is what we're going to do over the next 24 months, he was kind of fell in love with the story and wanted to be involved.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it really does sound like the product, the offering is what's bringing in this talent, this leading industry talent, as you say.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So everyone's a winner on the customer side of things, and I think that's sort of true of the way you're sort of sort of managing the ownership of the business, and you're granting options to key stakeholders. And I think this is very important that everyone has a skin in the game in terms of creating company growth. Tell us about your rationale behind why you're doing what you're doing and why you're doing it.
Yeah, well, it's exactly that. I think it's very important to keep the key staff members and advisors incentivized and aligned with company goals. So very much, we're all in it together, whilst also simultaneously remaining sensible on kind of what options and level of options you hand out, which I believe we've done. But ultimately, our team, whether that's advisors or the full-time staff, at the moment, they're living and breathing good life. Everyone's going above and beyond with this business. So our view is they deserve some of the massive upside that we believe is coming our way. So that was the logic behind that.
Yeah, so rewarding the staff you have, but also you'd imagine that's a great way of attracting the new talent that you need to the business as well.
Yeah, absolutely, and that is ongoing at the moment. We've already secured some kind of very experienced people in key positions, so we expect to see really quite rapid advancement in the actual product offering itself. As I said, and the stickiness of that product. So we're very excited about not just the acquisition and the rate of growth, which you're all going to see over the next 12 months, but also how kind of beneficial the product is going to become to our day-to-day members.
Yeah. And in terms of, the kind of skills that you're looking for in business, presumably we're talking, some serious tech talent and serious marketing talent as well, and wherever they sort of cross over.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, you've got the likes of David Ivey, who's overseeing the dev department as CTO. This is someone who's had 40 devs under him at Digital. So he's got a huge amount of experience when it comes to hiring world-class dev talent. And then you've got the likes of kind of Ian McCaig, who's kind of a B2C marketing guru, ex-Google. He launched Qubit, which is a top kind of SaaS business, and then he went on to launch Fit. So he's very much helping us with regards to how we market this, how we get it out to the market, which channels we should be using, and how we do that in the most efficient manner possible to make sure we can acquire the customers as effectively and as efficiently as possible.
Yeah, and efficiency is key to a business like yours. Making sure that the money is spent well to grow, but at a way that helps you achieve profitability.
Yeah, definitely. Look, for us, it's all about that CAC to LTV ratio, and at the moment, it's extremely healthy for us. And it's only getting better. And we believe with the people we're bringing in, we're going to go from strength to strength. And the proof will kind of come out as the months go on, and we release more information to the markets.
Yeah, indeed, indeed. So a very, very promising start to life on the markets and to 2024. What have we got? What have we got on the horizon for the rest of the year?
Yeah, so there's some very big announcements coming soon. So I would advise everyone who is watching to keep an eye on us, follow us, and we will be releasing some key insights as to our overall numbers, membership base, monthly recurring revenue, etc. And we're confident this is going to be the kind of hottest growth story in 2024, 2025. So keep an eye out. I can't obviously disclose too much, but definitely keep an eye on us because, the information will be coming thick and fast.
Yeah, no, fantastic. Thank you so much for talking to us, Charlie. It's a really, really fascinating company, and yeah, looks set for great things. And as you say, follow Good Life on Vox, and to keep up with the fantastic progress we expect this year. Thank you, Charlie.
Amazing. Thank you, John. Cheers.
Thank you.